Hey, welcome back to the Car Doctor channel. I'm Tim. I'm here at my repair shop, Donor Automotive in Anchorage, Alaska. Got a quick tip for you on these '09 Malibu. May apply to other years and models. Experiencing a no low beam headlight situation. So this customer came in with a complaint of no low beam headlamps. He's replaced them before, and show you what we got here. First off, requires moving the front bumper fascia to access the headlights. You don't actually have to remove the entire front bumper fascia, but in the case where you're going to be servicing both headlamp assemblies, I just go ahead and pull the whole thing off. You can do that by removing all the attaching screws on this cover that goes over the upper core support. And then under the wheel well area, right here at the seam where the front fender is, you got one screw that comes up here, and then there's another 10 millimeter. You have to reach around behind the fascia here and down there to remove those screws, and you pop the retaining hardware along that air dam below and pull the whole fascia off. It's going to give you a lot better access. But as I was saying, the customer complained that both front headlights did not function on low beam. The high beams worked. So the common issue, the most common thing we see, is the wiring at the headlamp bulb. It's the halogen socket type bulb. The pigtail on the end tends to get overheated and burn out. I see it more personally on these weird, ultra bright bulbs that they sell you. But it can happen no matter what kind of bulbs you're running. Just over time, they tend to overheat. And I've got a permanent fix for you. What you want to do, CarQuest has these, and you can cross this number, but this is a high heat pigtail for these headlights. It requires a little bit of modification to install, but this is worth getting. I'll open this box and show you. This is what you'll find in the box, is a 2-wire pigtail, and you actually need to cut and discard this end of the pigtail and then wire it in like so. This is the low beam bulb, and in this case the red wire will go to the 2 black wires, and the black wire to the yellow wire, which is the power side, and the shared grounds are over here. I don't think it really makes a difference which side you feed, but if you want it to be factory original wiring, that's the way you'll wire it. And these connectors are a lot more temperature resistant, will carry a lot higher amperage through there. But I recommend sticking with the stock bulb, which in this case is the Sylvania H11 is what I put in there. That's as closest match to the OE bulb as I can find. In this case, the driver's side had a perfectly fine connector, but the bulb itself was smoked out. And in this case, both bulb elements were fried. And then, as you can see here, try to get better light. That's end up what it looks like when they start melting and drawing excessive amperage, and it's an ugly thing. It gives like an hour and a half labor time to pull the bumper cover. Of course, I have a hoist, which makes it a lot easier for a fat, balding, half-retired tech to do, but it can be done even on your driveway. Just want to do it safely, make sure the vehicle, if you're going to lift it, is properly supported and in a safe way that you don't end up getting hurt. This video has been helpful. I do appreciate you watching, and wish you good luck with your repairs. Take care.